Starting up with a new project. It's a 2002 yz250f. This is my old bike. I haven't ridden it, and as you guys can see, it's been years. I've had it in storage. So the last time I had it, I've kind of revamped it once. I threw Line-X like on the frame and the swing arm, and like kind of put some like cheap ass graphics on, and tried like retro doing it as best I could. But yeah, now we're reeling it down. Yeah, I plan on kind of going through the whole motor, rebuilding that, putting all new bearings and bushings. Everything I could redo in the motor, I'm going to redo, look into the cylinder, make sure it's not too worn. The bike's just beat though. It ran good when I left it, and it kind of turned into like a project bike. Like we had 18 different blues on it. I was younger. Me and my dad were just kind of like messing with it, but yeah, it needs some love. So yeah, I plan on redoing it all, man. Stay tuned. This one's good. That one's good. This one next. And then once I'm done with this one, we're gonna move on to the R1. That thing needs some love. Too many toys, not enough time to post them all or ride them all at the same time. So, but yeah, this thing, it's needs work. Radiators are beat. It needs new header. I plan on vapor blasting this whole entire engine and making it look as new as I can. It needs a new front rubber. The back rubber's new. It's just been sitting. I've had this in there, so hopefully that helps with whatever might have got into the engine or whatever. But yeah, I plan on making it more desert oriented, desert tank. Maybe change up the color scheme as far as black and blue go. Maybe keep it more primarily black, and then move into the leave the blue hubs. I don't know. I have a lot to go. It's just filthy. It's filthy. It's dirty. But I've had worse. So this is it. This is like tape, electrical tape, because like I said, we're doing a bunch of stuff to it. Even the front fender's in decent shape, but it's a dirt bike. But I want this thing to look new, man. I was kind of in the market looking at bikes, and for what they're going for right now, I have this thing laying around. I'm gonna just do it. Hopefully we get into the engine, it's not beat. Because like I said, it ran, but I want to go through it. It's been sitting. Oil's been in it. It needs to be gone through. The only problem I had, now that I remember last time, was that the clutch, I forgot what it's called. There's something in the engine. The clutch pin, I don't know. You pulled in the clutch, it didn't activate the internal clutch inside the transmission. So I'm going to have to break down to the engine regardless to get to that, to replace that. But that's it. The frame's good. Subframe's good. Like I said, needs new graphics. It needs it all. But yeah, this is video one of a couple, hopefully for you guys, because I know I got a lot of comments on YouTube. If you guys don't follow me on YouTube, check that out. I have a old street bike that I went over, and yeah, so to be continued.